Woke up to a severe weather alert. High winds in the desert. Okay. Well, what can you do, you know? Alright. Got one camera to put you right here. The other camera from the back. Oh, it's a beautiful area. Windy as shit. All night was crazy windy. Getting good at that. I don't think it's crazy windy. It's just windy, you know. Living in a freaking van. Living in a freaking van. Yes, I am. I'm living in a freaking van. More dirt roading. Goodbye forever. Adobe Grill, or what do you call it? Adobe Deli. Thank you for this day. I do appreciate it. One cow is sitting there. I don't even see any other cows. Just that one lonely ass cow sitting out in the middle of the. Oh, here they are. Hey, cows.
Into the sour shoes weeds, but he recently sent Derek a video where he prepares and eats some pizza. Do you want to hear it?
It's getting a little sandy, a little white sandy over here. Of course, when we're only 2 minutes away from White Sands or some kind of check or something. I don't know, man. There's a doggo on duty. Hooray, I love doggos. There's a doggo. He's gonna sniff my van. Probably smells like shit. He's a good doggo. Is it you on board? Just you? Yes. You a U.S. citizen? Yes. Thank you. Okay. It is definitely a little windy to be playing out in the sand, but it's supposed to get 66 degrees. I mean, it's supposed to get warmer too, so is this where I turn? This is one of my happy spaces. Now, when I was in the Army, I used to come out to White Sands for like a month at a time, and we would do field exercises and stuff out here and have ourselves a good time. I think I get in free too because I have the military thing. Pretty sure of it. Kick ass! I got a map, and I got in free too with my veteran status. That kicks ass, man. That's the first time I've used it for a national park. I get all national parks free, so if anybody wants to go to a national park tour, I'm your guy. Oh yeah, this is where it starts getting a little bit weird. I love this. This is beautiful. Ah! Look at it. Sand, and it's white. Ha! Who knew? Who knew? Like, some of the funnest times I had in the Army were on these like month-long field deployments when we actually got to do our job and we're just sitting in a motor pool and sweeping up oil stains with cat litter, it seemed like. Yeah, I remember having so much fun out here. I remember cooking a lot out here, but I was an MLRS guy, so I had like this giant track M270 missile launcher. That was so much fun to like just drive through the dunes and jumping the dunes, and just, it was so much fun. It really was. Looking back, you know, Even when I was doing it, I knew it was just a blast. Having Op 4 like laser tag wars and stuff like that, it was just. Whoa! And the roads get shittier. Am I even on a road? Oh, here we go. This is where I like to park. Cool. And there's a bathroom too. Yay. Nice. Here we are. This is the good spot. Badass Reno, man. Badass Reno. I think I'm gonna change my shirt. It might be a little cold out, actually. It's like almost 70 degrees. I need to. Yeah, I'm gonna change my shirt. This ain't so bad. It actually feels really nice. Good breeze. I'm gonna go destroy that bathroom right there. Just ruin it. I kind of want to poop out in the desert and bury it like a cat. I would love to do that. Let's get it on. Please don't be disgusting. Whoa. That's not what I was expecting. The sand is freezing. Oh my goodness. This is where I wish I would have brought my walking stick. You gotta have a walking stick. Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at this. This is the huge sandbox. What a great place to bury some treasure, huh? You're not allowed to here, but it would be a great place. Sure would be. I know you can't hear me, but that van has had it with my shit. That van's just done with me. He's like, dude, really? We still got 14 days left? Are you effing kidding me, dude? This is one of those places I just want to bring, like, my friends, like my daughter, even my mom. I know she wouldn't want to climb on all these sandy dunes and everything, but she could see it at least, instead of just in pictures. Well, you start getting a little snow blindness later. You know who would love this is Vinny Vineyard. He would love this. He would just, we got to come out here and shoot us something. I mean, I'm shooting the end of the world and I'm hungry right now, but we got to do a movie out here, something. Woo! Okay. For the show, the Hungry, It's the End of the World and I'm Hungry show. I am making 3 cheese mac and cheese from Backpacker's Pantry, as well as sticky mango sticky rice, which I love both of those things. Mango sticky rice is something I discovered in Los Angeles at some little restaurant across the street from the Time Travel Mart. I had it and I was like, this is very good. All right, these have to sit for like 15 minutes. They say to open it up and stir it, but I don't think I'm just gonna do that. Why would I open it up and stir it? Let all that delicious steam out. Is she taking a shit or is she having an orgasm? I don't know what she's doing up there. She's hacking all over everything. Cover your mouth. Sometimes I just like to recreationally hate things and people. It's just my thing, man. I don't know if I'm going to eat these out in the sand or if I'm going to do it in the van, because I really don't want sand in my food, and there's a lot of sand. Is it still hot? Okay, cool. It is not hot. So I can put it back in the bag. Get in the bag. You son of a beach. Thank you again to Stoke Voltaics for allowing me to boil water on the road and cook. Oh, I love those products. Okay, has it been 15 minutes yet? It feels like it's been longer. I finally found a spot where I can't hear the hippies. Backpacker's Pantry. Everything's going to taste like sand. Like absolutely everything is going to taste like sand. I have so much sand in my mouth already, haven't even taken a bite. So much sand in my eyes. Well, we're gonna get through this. We're gonna get through this thing and we're gonna enjoy ourselves a nice meal out here at the end of the world, at desert. I'm sorry, we're in the desert at White Sands, New Mexico. You can see it is. It looks like mac and cheese. It smells like mac and cheese, but is it mac and cheese? It's going to be covered in gritty sand, but it's going to be just dandy. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Okay. Is this the mac and cheese that your grandma makes? Or that I make in my kitchen? No, of course not. It's a backpacker meal. What do you expect? It's an MRE, people. Is this mac and cheese out of a box with a big letter K on it? Nope. That's different. That's sometimes horrible, unless you doctor it up. This right here needs no doctoring. This is actually really... Oh, I dropped a noodle. Oh, I dropped a lot of noodles. Okay. The wind is killing me here. And now it's robbing me of food. So, if you can hear me, let me tell you. Oh, wow. I usually don't eat the whole thing. There's a secret. I think I may have to eat this whole thing. This is freaking delicious. I have dessert. It's being buried in sand right now, but it's down there. Why is this so good? Some desert creatures are going to enjoy it as well. Oh man. Backpacker's Pantry makes their own mango sticky rice, and I'm going to put it deep into my face with all the sand and other things that are flying into my mouth. Okay. It's not traditional mango sticky rice. It is definitely sticky rice. There's a mango flavor to it, but it's not it's not what I had in that Los Angeles. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not as sweet as I thought it was going to be. I think it needs a little more coconut, maybe a little more sugar. I hate to say it, but... And it grows on you, though. The first bite, I think, after that mac and cheese was so good. The first bite of this was kind of like, oh, that's different. But now that it's growing on me, I think I actually like it a lot. It never fails. As soon as I start filming, cue the screaming children. Anybody parked behind me or walking behind me? If so, you better move. Oh man, this was so nice when I got here. And everybody who came just started screaming. Like, why? I mean, I understand kids. I get that. This is exciting. This is overwhelming. I get it. But like adults, like, why? Oh, there's so much sand in my eye. I can't see the road. It is a windy bitch. Windy bitch. What's your name? Windy. What's your last name? Bitch. Windy bitch. You know what I'm here for. Oh yeah. So Alamogordo was where they dropped the first ever nuclear bomb. Yeah, we bombed ourselves. And now it's just weird. Full of weird people. Mutants, a lot of mutants. Like animal and human, sometimes they're mixed. There's mutants everywhere. And there's a giant pistachio up here that we're about to go see in about 20 minutes. And yeah, that happened because they nuclear bombed the shit out of this area for years. And yeah, so all that Oppenheimer stuff, Alamogordo. I would like to go to that. You're a good man, Charlie Brown. Stick around for Tarzan afterwards. We are here, people. And you say I never take you anywhere. Ah. It's been a few years since I've been here. Doesn't look like much has changed. Oh, the winery, the vineyards back there look really nice. It's the world's largest pistachio right there. Yep. And of course, there's a really cool gift shop. Yeah. Pistachio. It's really cool. I prefer the real ones though. Last time we were here, we did a on the roadside, I think, and we interviewed the owner and everything. It was really cool. Okay, the country store. Take a Pistachio Land tour. Nope. It's actually nice just coming to these places without having to like thoroughly film them for TV shows. I'll film it for this, but nice to just enjoy myself. Ooh, hello. It's a nice magnet. Actually, I like this one better. Magnet. No shortage of aliens in the New Mexico. Oh my goodness, this sounds so good. Why do you have to have this? Let's go dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is better, right? Do they have dark? Yes. It's a little better. Just a little better. Roasted and salted and pistachios out the butt. That weirdo doing here. Plushy pistachios. Squeezy pistachios. Soft pistachios. Look, I'm gonna get drunk.
White Zinfandel infused with pistachios. Let me know if it's sweet enough, not sweet enough.
It smells sweet enough.
It's a nice one. It's really soft.
These must be low sugar.
What do you think?
Actually very refreshing. It's not like over alcohol-y.
No, it's pretty modest. How do you feel about peaches?
I never met her.
Would you like me to introduce you to her?
Hi, I'm Peaches.
Hi,
Just
Peaches.
kidding.
Say what it is officially.
Montano Blanco.
Montana Blanco. It's a refreshing wine.
Oh, that smells amazing.
It's really nice. If you like wine, well, you don't drink wine, but if you like a nice mild, right? It's not that sweet. It's more modest.
Yeah, that's like a juice.
Put some fresh and frozen peaches in there.
You should put that in a box with a straw. Little juice boxes for the kids. Are those pistachio trees? I think so. Why buy them when you can just come over here and pick them off the trees when it's season? Welcome to McGinn's Pistachio Land. Enjoy, Mother Africa. Looks like I have an opportunity to take pictures with no people around for once. So yeah, there it is. World's largest pistachio. We did it, people. We did it. You and me, we did it. Get out of the way, truck. I'm trying to have a moment and you're ruining. I can't see the sign. Okay, here we go. Go away. We did it, people. We are here. It is windy as shit, but we did it. Oh my God, I could cry. Look at that. It's a big old pistachio back there. Insane, man. I should do a van picture with the pistachio. I don't think I can get over there though. Bye, world's largest pistachio. Bye. All right, we are all gassed up. Ready for yet another Roswell adventure. I decided to go to Roswell. It's directly on the way to Dallas. And there's a place called Fox Cave, which is awesome. Like a little roadside attraction gift shop. I don't know where that's at. I don't know if that's before Roswell or after Roswell. Oh, you didn't see this. I have an affinity for gas station burritos. Sometimes you hit home runs with a good gas station burrito. Sometimes, like their coffee, you strike out. Tula Rosa. Oh man. Why didn't I get 10 of these? Damn, that's a good burrito. Oh man, potatoes are wonderful. The beef is great. The green chili in there is unbelievable. Wow. Cheese. I just noticed we have trees again. We're probably still in the desert, but it's nice to see trees. I like trees. In a few days, we'll be in Tennessee and I'll be sick of trees. Like, can I get some Western desert again, please? Did they ruin the whole thing? I understand you people need your weed. I get it. It's whatever, but did they really ruin this place and make it a weed thing? I'm speechless. Yeah, they ruined it all right. And it says it's open online, but of course it's not. They ruined Fox Cave with this weed bullshit. What a cool place this was. It is windy as hell out here. Like crazy windy. They put blood in a small hatchet on the hands. Oh, they've really destroyed everything. I'm pretty pissed about this. This was like, I've been here once and it was such a cool place. Just wrecked it. Stop ruining things. So Billy the Kid again. He's everywhere. Oh goodness. It's wind is insane. It's not fun to drive in either, just so you know. Last time I was here, all these were Airbnbs. They're museums too, but everything's locked up because even though it says it's open, it's not open. And now it's freaking Weed World. How you doing? Oh. It's time for me to run. It was fun while it lasted, Fox Cave. I'm just not a weed guy, dude. I don't dig the culture. Everybody is... I'm sorry, I know you don't know this and you won't agree with this because you're high, but it's like weed has dumbed down. No wonder they legalized it. They want a dumb population. Directions, Roswell, New Mexico. Weed has dumbed down this population so much. Freaking Weed World. All right, we are in Roswell, New Mexico. Make sure you keep your eyes to the skies because there's aliens! Aliens everywhere, aliens! Alrighty, here's the main strip. Basically the Brick Town alien attack. Yeah, we filmed all this stuff. There's the museum. I filmed here with Amy Dumas. What is this? There's the UFO Fizz candy store that my friends own. And what is that? UFO H2O? I don't know what that is. I think I've been to Roswell like 3 or 4 times. One thing I always forget to see is there's a UFO alien style McDonald's here. And I don't know why. I don't know why I'm about to say the words I'm saying, but McDonald's actually sounds really good. Just like a small burger, like maybe a double cheeseburger. Not the whole thing, which I'll probably end up getting the whole thing because I'm stupid. But yeah, it sounds kind of good. Why? Why does McDonald's sound good? Is it green? The burger's green. I want a green burger, though. I do want a green burger. All right, I see the golden arches up there, so I imagine this has to be the one. You know, I've never been down this way. It's kind of... There's an invasion station, okay? Before we start exploring, then we're gonna... Oh, look at the Dunkin' Donuts. Here we go. That's cool. This is how you do it. Let's make this very clear. I do not enjoy eating at McDonald's. It makes me feel terrible. But, you know, sometimes you gotta just do what you gotta do, right? I mean, if you're gonna do an alien-themed McDonald's, I am going to patronize it. Ain't that right, huh? Not my favorite thing to do is film children, but this is interesting. Look at that stuff. I like stuff. Got Ronald up there as an astronaut. There's my buddy Grimace. How you been, Grimace? Dunkin' Donuts has got it down too. Good deal. Cool. Let's go buy some shit. What are you looking at? Look, you could be in a spaceship. So this used to be the alien invasion. I don't know what the hell it is now. Out of this world canned water. Okay then. But they still own this, Max and Luella. I just talked to Luella and I guess she's in here. I don't want any sugar, but... Oh yeah. UFO Fizz. Alien. Sugar, 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 sugar. Always good to see Luella. Such a nice human being. Oh, there's alien feet tracks going all the way that way. I was gonna stop at the UFO museum, but I've been there so many times and it's just not anything different. Plus, I heard they're making things a little difficult for my friends across the street. Why would you do that? Why would the UFO? You don't want to compete? Everything should be alien themed here. Everything. And you don't want to compete? I don't understand it. It doesn't make any damn sense. I gotta cross this busy ass road. Everybody stop, I'm walking. I just bought some tamales from this place, so if I shit myself tonight, you know why. These are made out of tires, obviously. It's cool. Huh. I think there's a tattoo shop at the end here. What is this now? Another? Oh God, no. You have to say no sometimes. I'm not very good at saying no, as you know. What is this? A gift shop? Why, yes it is. We are dancing in this place. It's the House of Aliens. Not very nice aliens, though. I mean, they're kind of rude aliens. I'll grab a couple of these. Why not? Oh, look at this. They're all looking at me. Sweet. Yeah, I think this guy will have to come. It's not a very good magnet. There we go. Funny that it's only 3 o'clock, but my ass is exhausted. A lot of driving today, a lot of walking, a lot of doing stuff. Yeah, I climbed sand dunes today. I had to hold up the world's largest pistachio. Lots of driving in the wind. I had to get pissed off at Fox Cave. That took a lot of energy. And Roswell, walked around a little bit. Oh, I ate McDonald's. Oh, that's what did it. First I have to take the obligatory Roswell picture with the van, because that's what I do. Yep, here's the obligatory shot. Everybody has to get a shot of the Welcome to Roswell sign, and I'm no different. I tagged the sign. Yep, I did it. ITV, Brandwich Vanlife. Thanks for visiting. Bye, Roswell. I have 6 hours to drive now. 6 hours in the freaking wind. Ugh. This is the windiest drive I've ever had. It's like insane. I don't know how people aren't tipping over. I don't know how I'm not tipping over. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Texas. Tejas! We are here. All of this, Texas. Look at that statue. Texas. Oops, running off the road in Texas because of the wind that is being produced by Texas. All right, Texas, yeah, we did it. Oh, come on, look at this chaos. What am I driving into? Goodness. Oh my God, dude. Woo! In the Dust Bowl, baby. Glad I didn't wash the van today. Thought about it. Are you shitting me? This is worse than fog. Don't you keep all that dust over there? Ugh.
Hola, amigos. Yeah, we are doing Little Steven's underground garage. And that last set started with an outtake recorded during the darkness on the edge.
Is it bad that I just saw one of those storm chaser trucks go that way? I mean, why wouldn't they be? Which way are they going? Or are they running from something? Okay. Well, it's good to see vans like that in front of me that have not tipped over. If that one tips over, then I'll stop. Look at it, it's all just dust. Whole sky. This is starting to get pretty bad, man. Like, all I can smell is the dust. It can't be good for me. I don't have any, like, masks or anything, so what do I... I'm pretty sure the camera is not picking it up like I see it. Like I see it, looks like the apocalypse. I still have 5.5 hours till Dallas. I'm trying to knock as much of that shit off as possible today, but I kind of feel like I'm pressing my luck a little bit by passing these little towns, and I got enough gas to get probably all the way to, maybe not all the way to Dallas, but like I can park at any one of these towns, not have to deal with the freaking Dust Bowl anymore. Over there is crazy looking. Those are dusty ass cows. Oh boy, here's another round. Ah. Well, this one's the worst one yet. Holy shit, dude. Don't get me wrong, it's kind of cool, but kinda. Oh God, I can't even. Oh, here comes another big gust. Wow, there's a city coming up, Brownfield, Texas. I'm gonna have to stop at. There are houses and shit around here. This is taking years off my life, isn't it? I don't know if rolling the windows down is good or not. Oh my God. How do you live here? The funny thing is, I'll be missing these dust storm roads when I get into Dallas. Dallas is one of my least favorite cities to drive in. Goodness. Oh yeah, this wind is terrible. Gas up. Oh man, I'm in Snyder, Texas. I've never heard of such a thing. I lived in Texas for a long time. Why did I park so close to this? Anyway, I gotta stay in Snyder because I am effing exhausted. I think I might be too exhausted to actually do some editing tonight too. gonna check everything out on the van. Oh shit. I mean, everything's up here. Couple of Max Air fans, couple of solar panels, and a Starlink right there. So whatever Red Point Venture did to it, they did a damn good job. I don't know why I'm doing this. It doesn't do anything. like literally, I'll get back in the van and it'll look exactly the same, just bug covered and dusty. What the ever-loving freaking hell is wrong with me? 6 of these chips is gonna ruin my life. I bet you any money. Why? Why? I went in there for a coffee. And then I thought, why the hell am I getting a coffee? I'm probably gonna go to bed here pretty soon in Snyder somewhere. I don't know where. And then I ended up with Pringles and a water. I don't know where the Pringles came from. They like jumped into my hand. Did I get gas already? Yeah, I did, I guess. 58.47, that's pretty good. It's like completely empty. Try not to let the wind make the slam against the thing. Oh, shit. Why? Why the fucking Pringles? Can you see anything? Because I can't. All right, everybody. I'm going to do some editing, but good night. Go to the link tree. It's in the description if you want to look at all the stuff I do, and like and subscribe. I'm exhausted. There are small dick dudes everywhere, isn't there? I'm like in a hospital and people are thumping music and I don't want to complain. I really don't. I'm tired. I parked at a hospital. I'm good. I'm gonna do some editing. Go to sleep. Busy day tomorrow, man. Busy day tomorrow. Gotta find my ass through more windy roads all the way to Dallas and see my buddy Mike. Might do Meow Wolf in Grapevine tomorrow. Definitely going to Buc-ee's tomorrow. Maybe more than one Buc-ee's. And who knows what else, to be honest with you. These days are pretty loose, you know? It is 4:30 in the morning. The van has been a rockin', man. This wind is insane. I feel like I'm on a boat, like going down the rapids or something. Of course, as soon as I hit record, oh, there we go. I was gonna say, as soon as I hit record, it stops, which would be wonderful because I really want to leave soon. Oh, it's just nuts. This whole trip has just been, the theme of this whole trip has just been wind. Living in a freaking van!